Welcome back to the Autocrafters, where adventure meets capability and where horsepower, heritage and rugged engineering collide. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated mid-size trucks of the decade, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. The Trailhunter isn't just another Tacoma trim. It's a statement. Built with overlanding exploration and off-road endurance in mind, Toyota has taken decades of truck building expertise, blended it with modern engineering, and produced a vehicle that goes beyond being just a truck. It's a tool, a travel companion, and for many a lifestyle machine. So buckle up, because this isn't just a review, it's an expedition into everything the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter has to offer. Let's start with the exterior, because the Trailhunter announces its purpose before it even starts its engine. At first glance, the truck wears its overlanding mission with pride. The Toyota Heritage grille, bold block lettering and integrated amber marker lights set the tone immediately. Unlike standard Tacoma trims, the Trailhunter carries unique steel bumpers, skid plates, rock rails and recovery points, all of which are built to endure real punishment. The stance is commanding thanks to its 2-inch factory lift and 33-inch all-terrain tires wrapped around 18-inch Trailhunter exclusive wheels. Fender flares and blacked-out accents give it that no-nonsense, expedition-ready attitude. Toyota has equipped this truck with ARB-engineered Old Man Emu suspension, which is a game-changer. Instead of relying on aftermarket add-ons, the Trailhunter comes factory-equipped with high-clearance shocks and tuned springs designed to handle overland weight like roof tent storage systems and extra gear. At the back you'll find a steel rear bumper bed, utility bar system and integrated MOLLE panels for mounting fuel cans, tools or recovery gear. The bed power outlets, including a 2,400-watt AC inverter, make it easy to plug in fridges, lights or even camp cooking gear. Lighting is another key aspect. The Trailhunter features integrated LED light bars and bed lighting to illuminate trails, campsites or recovery situations. Toyota thought of every detail, from high-mounted snorkel options to roof rack mounting points, making this Tacoma ready for the wild right out of the dealership. Step inside and the Trailhunter proves that it's not just built for the wilderness, it's also designed for long-haul comfort. The cabin takes cues from the latest Tacoma redesign, but the Trailhunter adds unique interior trim finishes, bronze accents and all-weather materials that can handle mud, sand and dust. Seating is comfortable yet durable, with water-resistant upholstery and heated ventilated options available. The Trailhunter logo is stitched into the seats, reminding you that this isn't just another trim level, it's an adventure-focused Tacoma built with pride. Technology plays a big role here. The 14-inch infotainment display dominates the center dash, paired with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Toyota's latest infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the Trailhunter adds overland-specific features like pitch roll indicators, trail cameras and drivetrain monitoring. Practicality remains key. The cabin includes ample storage compartments, hidden cubbies and under-seat storage, perfect for recovery gear or tools. USB-C ports, a wireless charger and multiple 120V outlets mean your devices and gear always stay powered. Under the hood, Toyota offers two powertrains, but the real star is the iForce Max 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid. This system pairs the 2.4-liter turbo engine with a 48-horsepower electric motor integrated into the 8-speed automatic transmission, producing a combined 326 horsepower and a massive 465 lb-ft of torque. That torque number is class-leading and a huge leap for mid-size trucks. It gives the Trailhunter incredible low-end grunt, perfect for crawling over rocks, powering through sand or towing gear across rugged terrain. Combined with its 11 inches of ground clearance, approach and departure angles tuned for off-road and factory skid plates, the Trailhunter is ready for extreme conditions. Payload capacity sits around 1,600 pounds, while towing capability reaches up to 6,500 pounds, more than enough for trailers, overland campers or off-road toys like dirt bikes and ATVs. What really sets it apart is the suspension. The ARB-engineered setup allows for carrying heavy expedition gear without bottoming out, keeping the ride composed and controlled even on washboard trails. So what does all this capability cost? The 2025 Tacoma Trailhunter is expected to start around $55,000 to $58,000 depending on configuration and options. That places it above most standard mid-size trims, but in line with rivals like the Ranger Raptor and Gladiator Rubicon. For the driver who wants more than just a weekend warrior, the Trailhunter represents freedom, the ability to leave the pavement, explore remote landscapes and do so with confidence straight from the dealership lot. It's a truck for people who believe that the journey matters as much as the destination. For those who look at a map and see endless possibilities. So is the Trailhunter worth it? If you're serious about adventure and you want a rig that's purpose-built for the wild, the answer is a resounding yes. vehicles. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter, a truck that blends Toyota's heritage with a bold step forward into the overlanding world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth automotive breakdowns, and join us here at AutoCrafters, where adventure never ends.